Get ready, get set, and ride with this super cute set from Lego Duplo, the bus ride. It is a gorgeous little set which allows your little one to map out their journeys, get their passengers ready to ride around town, and has 3 very cute, super diverse characters. Have a look at this. What you can do is get your little one to open up the bus and get their little passengers ready to take their journey around town. Of course, while they're rolling the bus around, they are improving fine motor skills. You can also get your little ones to be attentive to things like the safety barrier, so it gives them a lesson in how to be safe around the road, also how to be patient while they're waiting for the bus. We've got a little timetable there so they can keep track of their passengers waiting for their bus to arrive, and of course once the bus rolls in, they will have fun getting all of their passengers ready to ride around. There is nothing more important than role play when it comes to teaching social skills, so get down on that floor and play with your little one. I'm sure that they will be delighted to act out the bus driver and the passenger. And of course, while you're in that moment of play, you can help them learn things like patience, safety, real world moments. I mean, the opportunities are endless when it comes to Lego Duplo, which is obviously why it is such a hit, especially in my home. It is suitable for kids 2 and up and makes the perfect gift.